Hello guys, hello, my name is Elena, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to record a beginning of this video, but here we are. Sorry about that. So here's in the bowl I have literally just my eggs, butter, and powdered sugar. And I'm whipping it until it's nice and fluffy and looks like smooth, nice, silky buttercream. That's all to it. So you didn't miss anything. So I just put it all at once, all in a bowl, and I'm whipping it, all right? So this is what it should look like. So if you scrape it with spatula, it's not grainy, it's very smooth. Let me see the light if you can see better. See, it looks just like buttercream. See, it's nice, silky, it's shiny. It looks very pretty. So that's what you're looking for. So depends on your mixer. I was mixing mine probably for about, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes. I don't think it was 10 minutes. All right, so once that's whipped, all I did is just added all-purpose flour to the bowl. All right, and I'm putting it back into the mixer. And now slowly mix it in. So don't just turn it on because it's gonna poof in your face. Just kind of turn it on, turn it off very quick, like pulsing motion. Like that. So let it incorporate. So kind of very, very slow. See, it's already kind of poofing. All right. So the mixture will look like it's very thick. See, you can see it comes off from the sides, but we will mix it in until it becomes back nice and fluffy. So probably 2 to 3 minutes on high speed. See, and that's it. So scrape the sides. Just make sure all the bottom mixed in, nothing got stuck there. So scrape all the sides, scrape the bottom. Back in the mixer, give it a few seconds stir. That's it. So now I have a tip. This one is Ateco 848 or the large star tip, or the largest tip that you have kind of in the shape of the star. All right, I'm gonna put it in a pastry bag, cut the tip off, just like that, and I'm gonna fill my dough inside this pastry bag and we're gonna pipe it. So these are kind of like a butter cookie. So I have here, or as you can see, parchment paper on top of, I have half sheet pins. So it will take 2 half sheet pins. All right. So just gonna fill it up. Make sure your pastry bag is heavy duty because the batter consistency, it's quite stiff, so you don't want it burst. All right, and now I'll just pipe it, kind of like in cake decorating, and I'm gonna do 3 motions. See, I'm squeezing, go up and down. So watch, 1, 2, 3. And I'm leaving at the end tip down, so that creates kind of like a crater in the middle of our cookie. That's where we're gonna put the jam in. All right, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so continue do that until you use up all your batter. So here I got exact 2 trays, and I was using this one. This is tart cherry jam. And again, I just put it in the pastry bag, snap the tip off, and I'm just gonna fill the middle of each cookie with a little bit of this jam. You can use any jam, just make sure it's stiff. If you can find the one for the baking, that's the one that no spread, that's any will do, but I like more to be tart consistency. So this one was cherry, strawberry is good, raspberry will be very good, or whichever you like. But if you don't put any jelly like. All right, so here's all set. I'm gonna put it in my preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes or until it looks right. All right, so here's they already all out. So that's what we're looking for. See, they start becoming a little brown on top. They did not spread, almost did not spread. And here's at the end of the bag, I had to do the smaller shape and they baked just as good. See, it was just one motion for the star, and see the bottom kind of looks a little crispy. You can leave them for a little bit longer if you like them even more crispy, but this was good to me. So 400 degrees, 15 minutes, or until they look right to you. And that's to it. So that's kind of like a butter cookie, shortbread cookie. They crumbly, they melt in your mouth texture, and a little jam in the middle makes it all the difference. It's really good with a cup of coffee or a glass of milk. And now they cooled off. Let me go ahead and break one for you so you can see what it looks like inside. All right, let's see which one. See, they come off the tray, very easy. All right. So here they are. Aren't they darling? See, very crumbly texture, very nice. Yeah. So that's what you're looking for. And of course, you're gonna get the bite. Yeah, very nice. Melt in your mouth texture. They not too sweet. There's not too much sugar in them, but they're very nice cookies. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.